Today's lesson will be on single-digit multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is the operation when a number is added over a number of times. Now let's take a look. So you have 4 times 2. Now think about what the equation / number sentence is asking you. So 4 is being times by 2, which also means 4 is getting multiplied by 2. So 4 times 2. Seeing that 4 is being times by 2, you can solve it by adding 2 4's together. So a size of 4 can be represented by these 4 dots. Now you will have 2 groups of the 4 dots. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 2 groups of 4 will equal 8. Now let's move along. Now, going to story problems. This story problem, Tom has 3 apple trees. The trees have apples that are ready to be picked. Each tree has 6 apples. How many apples will Tom pick? Now let's take a closer look. Now, looking at the word problem, there are 3 apple trees and 6 apples in each tree. Let's focus on those parts. Now, the 3 and the 6 are both numbers that are factors, and factors are the numbers that you multiply together to get a sum, which is also the total, which will be the total of apples that Tom will pick. So, 3 apple trees times 6 apples in each tree will be our equation, which will give us the number / total apples that Tom will be picking. Now let's solve. Let's watch this video. Solve this equation, 3 trees times 6 apples on each tree, which equals the apples in total. We are going to solve by addition. So this addition way will help us show the 3 trees and then how many apples are in each tree, which will be simple for us to understand. So let's first make an equation without the units. So remember the units are going to be these. So all of these are nouns that are after the numbers. So without units, you're not going to have trees, apples on each tree, or apples. So we're going to find our factors. Remember, the factors are going to be the numbers that are multiplying to get the total, which is also the sum. So let's find 3 and then the 6. So let's put them down here. So 3 times 6, which will equal the sum or the total that we'll get. So now let's solve. So you're going to have 3 trees, 1, 2, and 3. And then each tree has 6 apples. So 6, 6, and then another 6 pair of apples. So now we know that there are 6 apples on each tree. We're going to add all the apples together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in total, we have 18 apples. So let's show 18. So 1, so that is the 1 in the tens place representing 10. And then 8, which is in our ones, so that's 8. So now we know that there are 18 apples. So the apples will be the unit. Now without the unit, we're going to just show 18 in the equation without the unit. And there you have it.